Good afternoon, students. We are going to continue where we left last class, average chapter. Some important formulas we are going to discuss today in average, which are going to be very useful. So the first one is sum of first n natural numbers is given by 1 plus 2 plus 3 and so on up to n. So this will be n into n plus 1 divided by 2. And next, sum of first n even numbers. The first even number is 2, second even number is 4, third even number is 6, and so on. The nth even number is going to be 2 into n, that is 2n. So if you add all of them, you will get the answer n into n plus 1. Sum of first n odd numbers. Sum of first n odd numbers is going to be first odd number is 1, second odd number is 3, third odd number is 5, and so on up to nth odd number is going to be 2n minus 1. If you add all of them, it's going to be n times n, or we can also say n square. Next, sum of first n squares. So first number is 1, square is 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, and so on up to n square. If you add this, the result will be n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 whole divided by. And next, sum of first n cubes is going to be 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube and so on up to n cube is going to be sum of first n natural numbers we know, n into n plus 1 by 2. For this expression, if you just find the whole square, that will be the result. That means sum of first n cubes is the square of sum of first n natural numbers. So these are the important formulas which are useful in average chapter. But the proof we discuss later when time permits. But without proof, you just remember them. Wherever they are useful, we are going to use. So sum of first n numbers is n into n plus 1 by 2. Sum of first n even numbers is n into n plus 1. Sum of first n odd numbers is n square. Sum of first n squares is n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 whole divided by 6. And sum of first n cubes is n into n plus 1 by 2 whole square. So let's solve some questions and we'll continue average chapter. So this is the first question that we are going to solve today. This question came in 2016 exam, descriptive exam for 3 marks. Find the mean. Mean is nothing but average. Find the mean of first 10 even numbers. Who will answer this question? Abhyuday, can you answer this question?
Sir,
Yes, Abhyuday.
sir, you can use the formula.
Okay. I want the first of all, what do you mean by mean?
Sir, average.
Average formula?
Sir, sum of observation by number of observation.
Let us say this is method number 1. Sum of observations by number of observations. So sum of observations, first even number is 2. Second even number
4.
4. Third even number
Sir, 6.
and so on. What will be the 10th even number? What will be the 10th even number? Abhiday.
Sir, sir, 1 minute.
Even number is 2 into 1, 2. Second even number is 2 into 2, 4. What is 10th even number?
Sir, sir, 20.
Come again? How much?
Sir, 20.
Yes, 2 into 10 it is 20. Okay, this is sum of observations by number of observations. How many observations are there?
Sir, 10.
10. So if you simplify, you'll get the answer. So by manually adding them also you'll get the result. But without manually adding, you have any trick, Abhiday?
Sir, formula.
Yes, what is the formula?
Sir, n into n plus 1.
Sum of first n even numbers is n into n plus 1. What is n value here? How many even numbers are there?
Sir, 10.
So we have to write 10 into 10 plus 1, n into n plus 1, and divided by 10 is already there. So 10, 10 we are going to cancel, and the answer is 11. Yes, Abhiday, very good. And you have any other method to solve this question? Can you solve the same question in any another way? Abhiday?
Sir, I'm
No?
thinking.
Okay, try.
Sir,
Rishikesh, can you answer the same question in any other way?
Sir, I don't have another way, but sir, in that some formulas, I can't understand some formulas, sir.
See, sum of first n natural numbers means 1 plus 2 plus 3 and so on up to n. That will be n into
yes,
n
sir.
plus 1 by 2. Sum of
Yes,
first
sir.
numbers we used in this form in this question also. 2 plus 4 plus 6. You are adding only even numbers up to n even numbers. The result will be n into n plus 1.
Sir, I can't understand that cubes formula, sir.
N into n plus 1 by 2 and whole square. First you find the value inside this bracket, then square it. That's it.
Okay, sir.
Whenever any question comes, I'll explain again
Okay,
by taking
sir.
another example also. Okay. Next. Mayu, can you answer the same question in any another way? Mayuk? Mayuk, you are not audible. Yes. Can any student explain this in any other method? Sriradhya?
Sir,
Yes, Sriradhya.
sir, they are equally spaced numbers.
Yeah, equally spaced numbers. We can find the average in two methods. What are they?
That middlemost number is the average, first and last average.
Yeah, either middlemost we can take or first and last. Better than middlemost. Can we go for first and last average?
Okay, sir.
So first number is what? 2. What is the last number?
20.
20. How to find the average between these two?
Sir,
How to find the average of 2 and 20?
20 plus 2 by 2.
Yes, sum of observations by number of observations. 22 by 2, you are going to get 11. Is it same answer?
Yes, sir.
Why this method is working? Because they are equally spaced numbers. That means 2, 4 difference is 2, 4, 6 difference is 2, and everywhere it is 2. Very good, Sriradhya. You can mute yourself. So the mean of first to 10 even numbers, we got it 11. Even if you add all the numbers without using the formula, you'll get 110. 110 by 10, you are going to get 11. And after this, now using some properties of average, we discussed the properties already. That is, if one fundamental operation is applied on every number in all the observations, and the average also gets the same change. So based on this, we have a question here. Average of 20 results is 18. If 3 is subtracted from each result, then what will be the new average? Who will answer this? Students, you have to involve in the class. Jayavant, Sharath, Nishil, Saharsha, Bhuvana, Ashavardhan, Sanvi, Vishnu, Shanai, Rishika, Akshit, everybody. If you are interested in answering, you can raise a hand. Daksh, can you answer this question? Daksh? Daksh,
Sir,
can you read the question again?
the sir, the average of 20 results is 18. If 3 is subtracted from each result, then what will be the new average?
Yeah, what will be the answer?
So 15.
Why 15?
Sir, if every number is subtracted by 3, the average should be subtracted by 3.
Yes, so that is a property of average. If every number is subtracted by 3, the average also gets reduced by 3. So
Sir,
the old average is 18 and 3 we can subtract and the answer will be 15. So this is the way we can do answer D. So which property we used? If same fundamental operation is applied on every number while
sir,
calculating average, the average also gets the same change.
sir.
Okay, now you can mute yourself. So this question came in 2023 exam. The mean of 13, 14, 19, A, 17 is 22. What is the value of A? Who will answer this? Harshvardhan, can you answer this question?
Sir, may I can answer?
Yeah, you can answer. Read the question again.
Find the mean for 13, 14, 19, A, 17 is 22. Find the value of A.
Okay, how many observations are there, Harshvardhan?
Sir, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Sir, 5.
5. So how to find the mean? Average formula.
Sir, sum of observations by number of observations.
So 13 plus 14 plus 19 plus A plus 17 divided by
5.
5. According to the question, the average is given how much?
Sir, 22.
22. Now from this equation, I want to find the value of A. So what we can do?
Sir, 5 transpose this side. It is dividing.
Yeah, is dividing on the right side will multiply. But numerator we can add now.
Yes.
What is 13 plus 14?
Sir, 13 plus 14, 27.
27 plus 19.
27 plus 19, sir. Sir, 46.
46 plus 17.
Sir, 46 plus 17.
17.
Sir, 1 minute. Sir, 63.
So we got 63 plus A is 110. I want the value of A now.
Sir, transpose 63 to other side.
So adding and it will become.
Subtraction.
So 110 minus 63. What is the answer?
Sir, it is 47.
Yes, 47 is the answer. Which option?
Sir, option B.
Very good. Sure, then you can mute yourself. Answer is 47. So we use the formula of average directly. That is sum of observations by number of observations.
Sir, you will include ratio questions also in this.
Yes. Yes. I will. So the value of A is 47. Next question. This also came in 2023 exam. Given below are the runs scored by a batsman in 4 matches. Calculate the average runs scored by the batsman. Simple question. Who will answer this? Only one student is raising the hand. You don't know how to find the average. Jayvant, Sharat, Sarsha, Bhuvana, Sanvi. Yes. Rishika, can you read the question again?
Sir,
Yes. Rishika, read the question again.
Given below are the runs scored by a batsman in 4 matches. Calculate the average runs scored by the batsman.
Yes. How to find the average?
Sir, sum of runs by number of matches.
Okay. So what I have to write now?
Sum of runs by some number of matches.
So how to write that?
35 plus
Yes.
0 plus
Yes.
6 plus
Yes.
98
Okay.
by 4.
Because there are 4 observations.
Okay.
Okay, this we need to simplify. How can we do this?
Sir, add.
Yeah, if you add all of them, what is the answer you're getting?
Sir, 139.
139 divided by 4. So I want to simplify this and make it into decimal. How can I convert?
Sir,
Yeah, how can you divide to get the decimal? Read 4 table.
okay. 4 ones 4, 4 twos 12, 4 threes 4, 4 ones
4
4
3
3
are 12. What is the remainder?
1
1 9 becomes.
19,
So 4 table 19.
4 4 16,
Okay. 19 minus 16, how much is remaining?
3.
So because of the decimal, 3 becomes. It
Sir,
receives a 0, no? 3 receives a 0. It becomes 30, right?
yes sir.
4 table 30.
Uh, 4 sevens 28.
What is the remainder?
Uh, 2
2 0 becomes.
20.
So 4 table 20.
4 fives.
4 5 is 20. So 34.75. Which option?
Option B.
Option D.
So can I mute?
Yeah, Rishka, you give correct answer. You can mute yourself. 34.75. Sum of observations by number of observations. Next question. The average weight of 20 boys in a class is given, that is 160 kilometers, and that of the remaining 5 boys is given 50 kilograms. Find the average weight of all the boys in the class. Who will answer this? Who will give this answer? Raise a hand. Only Abhiday Harshvardhan keep their hands. Vishnu, can you answer this question? Vishnu,
Sir,
read the question again.
the average weight of 20 boys in a class is 160 kilograms, and that the remaining 5 boys is 50 kilograms.
Yes.
The average of all the boys in the class.
Okay, how to find the average weight of all the boys in the class?
So first we have to find the sum of the total class.
See, we know average is equal to sum of the observations by number of observations. From this, I want sum. How can I calculate it?
Yes, sir, by multiplying a number and sum.
Number and average. Transpose number to the left side. It will be average multiplied by number, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
You can remember one more formula for sum. Average is sum by number, and sum will be average into number. Suppose there is a class. In that 20 boys are separated, 5 boys are separated. For this 20 boys, the average is 160 kilograms, and for this 5 boys, the average is 50 kilograms. So I want to find the sum of all these boys, 20 boys. Wait, how can we calculate that?
Sir, multiply 160 20.
Yes, 160 multiplied by 20, you get the sum of all these boys. Wait, sum of these 5 boys, wait, I want.
Sir, 15 to 5.
15 to 5. Okay. Now, can we find the average of the whole class?
Sir, I can first find sum by multiplying both of them.
Sum of these two will be the sum of all the weights of all the class students divided by how many students are there in the class?
Sir, 25.
20 plus 5 is going to be 25. Now we can simplify. 160 into 20.
3200.
Yes, 3200. And 50 into 5.
250.
250 divided by 20 plus 5.
25.
Okay, now you can simplify this.
3150.
3450 divided by 25. Shall we do directly cuttings by 25? By checking the last two digits, we understood that it is divisible by 25. Can we directly divide by 25? And
Sir,
put the ones are 25. 34 minus 25.
9.
9. Add 5. 9, 5 becomes 95. 25 table 95.
25 trees are 75.
Okay. 95 minus 75.
20.
Add 0 at the end. 20 plus 0.
Sir, sir, 200.
0 at the end. That is 200. Now 25 table 200. 200 is which multiple of 25?
Sir, 8th multiple.
Yes. So I think you got the answer now. The average of whole class is how much?
Sir, 130 kilograms.
Which option? Is it option A?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Vishnu, very good. You gave the correct answer. So this is the way we are going to find the average weight of all the students in the class. So first we found the sum of the weights of 20 boys, sum of the weights of 5 boys. Adding them will get the sum of all the class students' weight. Then divide by 25 will get the answer 138. Next question. The average marks obtained by 7 students in a group is 226. If the marks obtained by 6 of them are given 340, 180, 260, 56, 275 and 307 respectively, find the marks obtained by 7th student. Who will answer this? Mayu, can you leave the class and join again? Yes, who will answer this question? Jaivan, Sahasha, Harshit, Akshit, Nishil, Srivalli, Daksh, Sriradhya, Bhuvana, Sanvi. Sanvi not answering. Shanai, Manaswini, Abhyuday, Rishika. Jashvi listening to the class but not giving answers. Yes, Mayuk, can you answer this question? Mayuk,
Sir,
read the question loudly.
the average marks obtained by 7 students in a group is 226. If the marks obtained by 6 of them are 340, 180, 260, and 56, and 275 and 300 respectively, find the marks obtained by 7th student.
If you don't know the marks obtained by the 7th student, what we will do?
So we have to add the 6 of students sum.
Can we call it any variable like x?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then apply the average formula. What is the average formula?
Sir, total sum of observations by number of observations.
Yeah, sum of observations. What is the first observation?
Sir, 340.
Okay, next.
Sir, 180.
Yes.
Sir, 260.
Yes.
56.
Yes.
Plus 275.
Yes.
Plus 200.
Okay, what about the 7th one?
Sir, x plus x.
Yeah, 7th one we don't know, let us write x. Divided by number of observations, how many are there?
7.
So that is equal to what is the average of
Sir,
all of them?
226.
226. From this equation, we want to find the value of x. So first
Yes,
we
sir.
have to add these numbers. Yes, how can we add these numbers?
Sir, we have to see that.
Will you add in your rough work and tell me the sum? Yes, do it and tell me the sum. Tell me the sum.
So do we
1,000.
plus 416 plus x.
You got 1,416.
Sir.
Double check your answer once.
Okay.
Your sum is wrong. 1,418 you will get plus x. Transpose 7 to the other side and it will multiply. 226 into 7. Do it. Two 26 into 7. How much?
So 233.
226 into 7. Why did you add it? 7 you transpose right side. It will multiply or add.
So multiply.
Then why did you add? 226 into 7. How much?
Sir, 1,584.
What is the product of 226 into 7?
So 1,582.
Yes, 1,582. Now I want the value of x. How to get the value of x?
So we have to subtract.
Cancel. Transpose 1418 on the right side. Addition becomes
Subtraction.
1582 minus 1418. Yes, can you simplify this?
Yes, sir. So 164.
Which option is correct, Mayuk?
Option D.
Yes, D is correct. So we use the formula of average, sum of observations by number of observations, and the observation which is missing, we called it x, and then transposition method we used, and to get the answer x is 164. Next question is this. A batsman makes a score of 87 runs in the 17th match and thus increases his average by 3. Find his average after the 17th match. Who will answer this question? Only few students are interested to answer. What about the remaining students? Jayvant, Bhuvana, Sanvi, Manaswini, Jeshwi. Yes, Rishika, can you read the question again?
A score of 87 runs in the 17th match and thus increased his average by 3. Find the average after the 17th match.
Yes, Rishika. Yes, Rishika. So there are 16 matches he played. How many matches? How many matches he played, Rishika? Rishika, are you there? Rishika, can you raise your hand again? Abhiday, can you answer this? Abhiday? So he played 16 matches, and after that in the 17th match, how many runs he scored? In the 17th match, how much runs he scored? Yes? Abhiday, not audible. Harshavardhan, can you answer this?
Yes, sir.
How many runs he scored in the 17th match?
87.
87 runs. And thus increases his average by 3. Do you know the old average?
Sir, older?
Old average, do you know?
Sir, no.
So in the first 16 innings, the average, let us call it is X. Now the new average becomes how much?
X plus 3.
Yes, because they said by adding 87 runs in the 17th innings, the average of all the 17 innings became X plus 3. Okay, now I want the sum of all the runs he scored in 16 matches. How can we identify?
Sir,
Some
average,
formula.
some formula.
Some formula.
Sir,
Some average is sum by number. What
yes,
is
sir.
some formula?
The average into number.
Yes, sum of all the 16 matches runs is average into number. Average is X, number is 16. So is it 16X?
Yes.
Plus in 17th match, how many runs are added?
Sir, 87.
Okay, now this should give the sum of all the runs in 17 innings, right?
Yes, sir.
Sum again, what is the formula?
Average into number.
So average is X plus 3 and number is?
17.
So by doing 17 times X plus 3, these two should be equal, right?
Sir.
From this I want the value of X. What can we do?
Sir, transpose X.
Don't transpose X first. Open the bracket on the RHS. 16X plus 87 is equal to 17 times X plus 3. Which property we call?
The distributive property.
Yeah, 17 into X is?
17x.
17X. 17 into 3?
Sir, what?
What is 17 into 3?
Sir, 51.
51. From this I want the value of X.
That's now transpose X, sir.
Now transpose what?
Sir, 17x.
Don't transpose 17X, it will get negative answer. Transpose 16X to the right side
Sir, why?
and 51 to left side. Both will be positive now.
Sir, why, sir?
Always you do try to do bigger minus smaller. Otherwise you'll get minus symbols and you'll get confused.
Okay, sir.
Okay, what is 17X minus 16X on the right side?
Sir, 17x minus 16x.
Yes.
X.
1X is nothing but X on the right side. Now on the LHS, 87 minus 51.
Sir,
What is 87 minus 51?
Sir, 36.
36. So what is the answer?
Sir, 36.
Which option?
Sir, option A.
Wrong answer. Why? Because they did not ask you the average after 16th innings. They asked average after 17th innings. After 16 innings, we call the average X. After 17 innings, it became?
X plus 3.
So the required answer.
36 plus 3.
So the required answer is 36 plus 3.
39.
39. Which option?
Option D.
So that is option D. D is correct. Very good, Harshavardhan. So we call the average after 16th innings as X. Then after 17th innings, it became X plus 3. Using the sum formula, average into number. We solved this question and we got the value of X is 36. But they're asking what is the average after 17 innings. So it should be X plus 3. So 36 plus 3 is 39. Next question is this. Came in 2021 exam. The table below shows the maximum temperatures in New York City last year. Use the information in the table to answer the following questions.
Sir, may I can answer this question?
What was the average maximum temperature up to 2 decimal places of the 3 months May, June, July, May, July, and September last year in New York City? Who will answer this? Can raise your hands. Only few people, same people are raising hands. What about others? Jaiwant not answering. Bhuvana not answering. Manaswini not answering. Yes, Bhuvana, can you read the question again?
The table below shows
Bona, more loudly.
The table below shows the maximum temperatures in New York City last year. Use the information in the table and answer the following. What was the average maximum temperature up to two decimal places of 3 months, May, July, and September last year in New York City?
Yes, ma'am. Which 3 months they are asking? May, July, September. May,
Yes,
what is the
sir.
maximum temperature?
Sir, 21,
July, what is the maximum temperature?
29,
And what about September?
24.
Okay, average they are asking, right? Average formula.
Sum of observations by number of
So
observations.
divided by what I have to write?
Sir, 3.
3. We have to simplify this, right?
Yes, sir.
First add 21 and 29. You'll get 50, right?
Yes, sir.
50 plus 24.
Sir, 74.
Yes, 74 divided by 3. They ask fractional form or decimal form.
Sir, decimal.
How to convert fraction to decimal?
Sir, divide.
3 twos are 6. 7 minus 6, how much?
Sir, 1.
1 4 becomes
14.
3 table 14.
Sir, 3 fours are 12.
Yes, 4s are 12. What is the remainder? 14 minus 12. What is 14 minus 12?
Sir, 2.
After decimal usage, 2 becomes 20, right?
Yes, sir.
3 table 20.
Sir, 3 6 are 18.
What is the remainder?
Sir, 2.
Again, because of the presence of decimal, 2 becomes 20, right?
Yes, sir.
3 6 are 18.
Yes, sir.
So is this process going to stop? Again you get 2, again it becomes 20, 3 6 are 18, again remainder 2. This will go on continue forever. Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
which option is correct?
Sir, option B.
How many decimal places we found in this?
Sir, 2.
2 decimal places. So the answer is going to be B. Very good, Bona. You can mute yourself. So it's a direct question, finding average. Next question. This question came in 2020 exam. The average weight of 16 boys in a class is given 50.25 kilograms, and that of the remaining 8 boys is given 45.15 kilograms. Find the average weight of all the boys in the class. I think this type of question, Vishnu answered already. Similar type of question, but with the different numerical values. Will you try this question? Who will explain this question can raise hand. Manaswini, read the question again.
Mummy,
Manaswini, read the question again.
the average weight of 16 boys in a class is 50.25 kgs and that
Will you call 50.25 or 50.25?
50.25.
After the decimal, each digit should be read separately.
Yes, sir. 15 kgs, 25 grams.
And that of the remaining 8 boys.
The remaining 8 boys, 45.15 kgs. Find the average weight of all the boys in class.
Okay, if you want to find the average weight of all the boys in the class, you want their total sum and total number, right?
Yes.
How to find the total sum?
Sir, 16 into 50.25.
Again, you're saying 0.25. You should read
6.5.
separately 50.25. If you multiply this, what are you going to get?
Sir, I didn't calculate. Can I
No,
calculate?
no, I'm not asking the simplification. If you multiply, which quantity you are going to get, I'm asking.
Sir,
Sum of all the class students are 16 students.
sir, 16 students.
Okay. Plus, now I want the sum of the remaining 8 boys. Weights.
Sir, 8 into 45.15.
8 into 45.15. Very good. So we got sum of all the students' weights. Divided
Yes.
by number of students, how many are there?
Sir,
Number
16.
Total
Not sir,
number of students in the class
24.
24. 16 separately, 8 separately. Together 24, right? Now let us
Yes.
simplify this. Can you simplify the decimal multiplication?
Yes, sir.
Okay, do it 16 into 50.25.
Sir, 1 second.
And also solve the next multiplication 8 into 45.15.
Okay, sir.
16 point
Sir, 804, sir.
16 into 50.25. What are you getting?
Sir, 804.
What about the next product? 8 into 45.15.
Sir, I'm doing.
Is this done, Manaswini?
Sir, yes, sir.
How
Sir,
much you got?
361.22.
361.22.
Sir, 22.
Only 2. Why 2?
Sir, once.
Now add the decimals in the numerator and divide by 24. What is the sum of the decimals in the numerator?
Sir,
What is the sum of the decimals in the numerator?
sir, 2.
804 plus 361.2. You can add.
Sir, 1 second. Mm. Sir,
Yes,
1165.2.
1165.2 and divided by 24.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I want to check this number is divisible by 24 or not. You know what is 24 divisibility rule?
Sir, I didn't remember, sir.
I told you co-prime method. Do you know?
Sir, co-prime method.
Yes, try to write 24 as the product of two co-primes. How can we write?
Sir,
Can we write 4 into 6?
yes, sir.
4 and 6 are co-primes.
Yes, sir.
Wrong. What are co-primes?
Sir,
They should have only one as common factor and no other common factors should be there. Repeat again.
sir,
Repeat the definition again. I told you just now.
they should have one factor or
Only one common factor. That is,
only one factor.
and
Okay.
they should not have any other common factor. Yeah, how can you write 24 as product of two co-primes?
24 is two factors. Sir, 3 and 8.
Okay, 3, 8 are co-primes.
Sir, yes.
Do they have any common factor other than 1, 3 and 8?
No, sir.
Yes or no?
Sir, 3 is correct, but 8 is not, sir.
3 and 8, are they having any common factor other than 1?
Sir, no, sir.
No, that means they are co-primes or not co-primes.
Sir, co-primes.
Okay, now you can check whether the number is divisible by 3 or not and 8 or not. If it is divisible by both of them, 24 also is divisible. Okay,
Yes,
how
sir.
to check a number is divisible by 3?
Sir, add all the numbers.
Okay, add and check whether it is divisible by 3 or not. Yes,
Sir,
it's divisible. I told you Cutting's method. 6 is divisible by 3. Cancel. 1 plus 5 is 6. Cancel. And 1 plus 2 is 3. Cancel. If everything
yes,
is 1, it's divisible by 3, right?
yes, sir.
Now check whether it is divisible by 8 or not. 652. The last 3 digits we have to check, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, check.
Mm,
It's not divisible, right?
no, sir.
So 24 we cannot do division directly. But you can start by 3. With 3 we can cancel both of them.
Yes, sir.
3 8s are 24. Next.
3 8 is 24. 3, 3 9, 3
3
3 is
3s are
9.
9. 11 minus 9.
2, sir.
2 6 become
26.
3 table 26.
No, 3 8 is 24, sir.
What is the remainder?
2, sir.
2 5 becomes 25.
Yes, sir.
3 table 25.
3 8 is 24, sir.
What is the remainder?
Sir, 1.
25 minus 24. Is it 1?
Sir,
Is it 1?
25 minus 24 is 1, sir.
1 2 becomes 12. 3 table 12.
Sir, 3 table 12, 4.
And now we can do it again by 8. 388.4
388.4.
divided by 8. 8 table 38.
8 table, 1 second, sir. Sir, sir, 3 4 8 4 is 32.
Yes, 38 minus 32.
Sir, 6.
68 becomes 68.
Yes, sir.
8 table 68.
Sir,
8 table 68.
sir, 1 second, sir.
8 8s are 64.
8 is 64.
Is 68 minus 64.
Sir, 68 minus 64 is 4.
4 4 become
Sir, 44.
8 table 44.
Sir, 8 table 44. 8 6 are 4. 8, not, sir.
8 5s are
8
40.
40.
44 minus 40.
44 minus 40 is 4, sir.
Because of decimal 4 becomes
Decimal 4 becomes
because of the decimal 4 becomes 40, right?
yes, sir.
Now 8 table 40.
Sir, 8 table 40 is sir, 5 are.
Yes. What is the answer here?
Sir, 48.55.
Which option?
Sir, option C.
Option C. Very good, Manaswini. You can mute yourself. So answer is 48.55 kilograms. The average weight of 16 boys is given separately, 8 boys is given separately. We found the average of all the students in the class, that is 48.55. Next question is this. This came in 2019 exam. The average weight of 6 boys gets increased by 5 kilograms if a boy having weight 20 kilograms is replaced by a new boy. What is the weight of the new boy? Who will answer this? Can raise a hand. Amshuman, can you answer this?
Sir?
Can you answer this, Amshuman?
Yes, sir.
Read the question again.
The average weight of 6 boys get increased by 5 kgs if a boy having 20 kgs is replaced by a new boy. What is the new boy weight?
Yes, how can we solve this?
Sir?
How can we solve this?
Sir,
How to solve this?
sir, how to solve? Sir, 6x is plus 5 is equals to,
You took x, no? What is that x?
sir, average.
Average weight of which boys?
Sir,
Average weight of which boys?
sir, 6 boys.
Okay, and you call it x, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, if you say the average weight of these 6 boys is x, what is the sum of their weights?
Sir, 6x.
6x. Okay, what is the equation we can write according to the question?
Sir, 6x plus 5k. Sir, 6x plus 30 is equals to,
Why 6x plus 30?
sir, sir, average get increased by 5. Sir, the sum get increased by 5 times sir, the number of quantities.
Okay, they said average gets increased by 5. Old average is x and the new average is 5, x plus 5 because it's increased by 5. So this is the sum of all the weights after a boy is replaced, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now from this new sum, if you subtract the old sum, what will happen?
Sir?
From this new sum, if you subtract the old sum, what will remain?
Sir, sir, sir,
Okay, you do in
K-
your own way. So 6 times x plus 5 is said, and after that, what you are going to write?
sir, sir, minus 20 kgs.
They said a boy having 20 kilograms weight is replaced by a new boy. New boy weight we don't know, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then how can we find that?
Sir, 6x plus 5 is equals to 6x plus 20. 6x plus 30 is equals to 6x plus 20 minus 20 plus y.
See, this is 6x. Okay, this is the old sum of all the weights of 6 boys, that is 6x. Okay, so in this a 20 weight boy is replaced, that means plus 20 you are going to write or minus 20 you are going to write.
Sir, minus 20.
And then
Sir, plus y.
plus y.
Sir, new boy.
Yes, new boy weight you called it y, and finding y will give you the answer, right?
Yes, sir.
How to simplify this?
Sir, 6x plus 30 is equals to 6x minus 20 plus y.
You multiply 6 inside using distributive property, that is 6x minus 20 plus y. Any cancellations on both sides?
Sir, 6x cancelled, sir. Get cancelled.
Okay, next transposition, what you will do?
Sir, minus 20.
Okay, if you transpose to the left, what will happen?
Sir, sir, signs are changed, sir.
Okay, 30 plus 20 becomes?
Sir, 50.
So y is equal to 50. Which option is correct?
Sir, option B.
Option B. Very good. So along with this
Sir?
method, yes, Amshuman.
Sir, I tell simplest method.
Yes, you can.
Sir, 6x plus 30 is equals to 6x minus 20 plus y. Sir, 30 is equals to y minus 20. Sir, transpose minus 20, sir.
Yeah,
Sir,
you
it
get
will
the
get...
same thing. By cancelling 6x, you get the same thing. But I wanted to tell you one more method, that is method number 2. That is method number 2, you need to remember one formula, that is new average is equal to old average plus correction term. Plus correction term. So what is this correction term? This correction term is what you need to do is first somebody is removed from the group. So minus removal, who is going to remove, that you are going to subtract, plus whom you are going to add, you just write plus For the group, we can say it is arrival minus removal plus arrival divided by total number of students, or we can say number of observations. Simply I'm writing number. So this correction term should be added always. That is minus removal plus arrival by number. This is a shortcut. So what you can do is new average. We don't know the new average, but the clue is given. Old average we called it X. Old average we called it X. New average I am calling it they said increased by 5. So new average I can write X plus 5. Old average I'm calling it X plus correction term. To get this correction term, what you do, who is going to be removed from the group? 20 kilogram weight boy. And who is going to be added? We don't know, let us call it Y, divided by how many observations are there? 6. So from this we get the answer. So plus x is going to cancel. Transpose 6 to the left side. 6 into 5 is 30 is equal to minus 20 plus 5, and the value of y is going to be 50. So this formula is very important. All of you have to remember, that is new average is equal to old average plus correction term. And what is that correction term? It is nothing but minus removal. Who is going to be removed? That you have to subtract, plus arrival, plus who is going to arrive into the group, plus you have to add, divided by number. So this you have to remember, everyone. New average is equal to old average plus correction term. So both ways we got the answer 50. And next question is this. So textual solution also we got the same answer, that is 50. So we did in the same way. Next 2019 exam we get one more question on average, that is the average age of a class of 40 students is 18 years. When the teacher says is also included, then the average age becomes 19 years. What is the teacher's age? Very simple question. Who will answer this? Only 2 students are raising hand. Harshvardhan, Amshuman. What about the remaining? Simple question. Harshvardhan, can you read the question?
Yes, sir. The average age of class of 40 students is 18 years. When the teacher's age is also included, then the average becomes 19 years. What is teacher's age?
Okay. How to find teacher's age?
Sir, we want to calculate sum and we want to subtract.
Okay, sum of observations, we got a formula. What is it? Average is equal to sum by number. So sum is equal to?
Sum is equals to number into average.
Average into number or number into average. Yes. When teacher is also included, how many members are there?
Sir, 41.
41. What is their average?
Sir, 19.
19. And in the old group, when teacher is not included, how many members are there?
Sir, in 40.
And having the average?
Sir, 18.
18. So now I want the teacher's age. So what should be done between these two?
Sir, subtraction.
Yes, 41 into 19 minus 40 into 18.
18.
So let us simplify this. Okay. 41 into 19.
1 minute. Sir, 779.
Okay. What is this sum?
Sir, 720.
Yes. The difference?
And
Yes.
59 years.
59 years. Which option?
Sir, option A.
Option A, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Very good, Harshvardhan. You can mute yourself. So when teacher's age is included and excluded, if you want to find the age of teachers, then what you need to do is, including teacher, you find the sum, excluding teacher, you find the sum, and find the difference. The difference should be the teacher's age. Next question came in 2018 on the topic average. That is, the average age of 3 sisters is 15 years. If the age of 2 sisters are 12 and 15, then the age of third sister. Very simple question. Who will answer this? Again, students are not raising hand. Jaivan, Harsha, Bhuvana, Rishika, Nishil, Daksh, Sanvi. Many of you are able to solve this, but not raising hand. Sriyansh, I think you joined now only. Sanvi, read the question. Sanvi,
Sir,
yes, read the question.
the average of three sisters is 15 years. If the age of two sisters are 12 years and 15 years, then the age of the third sister is.
Okay, how to find the age of the third sister?
Yes,
You don't know her age, we can call any variable.
X.
We called it X. Okay, average formula.
Sir,
Average formula.
sum of observations by number of observations.
The sum of observations. I already wrote one observation. What is the second and third observation?
Sir,
Out of three observations, one observation we wrote X. What are the two observations?
so 12 years plus 15 years.
So X plus 12 plus 15. So this is nothing but sum of observations by number. How many are there?
So 3.
So it's given according to the question equal to?
So 15 years.
Yeah, from this we get the value of X or not?
Yes, sir.
What is the first step?
Sir,
What is the first step in simplifying?
so we have to add.
First transpose 3 to the right side, right?
Yes, sir.
And at the same time you can add 12 and 15. What is 12 plus 15?
So 27.
Okay, 3 transposed on the right. 15 threes are?
45.
Okay, now we want the value of X transpose 27.
So 45 minus 27.
How much?
Sir, I'm doing. So 15.
No. 18.
Sir, 18.
27 plus 18, is it 45?
Yes.
So what is the answer, Sanvi? Except the last subtraction, you did everything right. Take care of simplifications. So 18 years, option C. This was very simple question, and next one also came in 2018 exam on average topic. The average of four numbers is given 30. If the sum of first three numbers is given 25, what is the fourth number? Again, simple question. Who will answer this? Who will answer this question? Jashvi, what happened? Rishika, Sriradhya, Sriyansh. Sriyansh, are you there in the class? Nishika, Rishika. Yes, Vishnu, can you read the question?
Sir,
Read the question again.
the average of four numbers is 30. If the sum of the first three numbers is 25, then the fourth number is.
Yeah, you don't know fourth number. We can give a name of any variable.
Sir, X.
Okay, you called it X. I want to write sum of all the observations. I written X. I wrote X. And the remaining three numbers, I want the sum. Is it given?
Sir, yes, sir, 25.
Yeah, 25. This is sum of all the observations. How many observations are there total?
Sir, 4.
4. What is the average given?
Sir, 30.
Okay, from this, how to find the value of X?
Sir, the addition. Sir, the addition of all the observations is equal to average into number.
Okay, you are transposing 4 to the right side. So X plus 25 is 4 into 30, how much?
Sir, 120.
120. Now transpose 25.
Sir, then X is equal to 95.
95. That is the answer. Which option?
Sir, there is no option.
Average of four numbers is 30. Sum of first three is 25 and fourth number. I think some error is there in the question, but 95 is correct answer.
Sir, can I mute?
What they said in the solution, they said sum of four numbers is 120. First three, actually it is not the sum they wanted to give. In place of sum, they wanted to give average. That's why there was a mistake. So that's a typing mistake. So in place of sum, if we have average, then we can find sum of the numbers is 75, right?
Yes, sir.
So the solution is not matching with the question, but 95 is correct answer. Okay.
Okay,
But in
sir.
place of sum, if we have average, what is the answer for this?
Sir, 70, whatever is 75 minus 120 minus 75.
That will be 45. That means in the question they have to do this change. In place of sum, we want average. But for this question, when sum is given, the answer is 95. So there is no option. Let's write answer E. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, very good, Vishnu.
And can I mute?
Yeah, you can mute. So next 2017 descriptive exam for 3 marks. Find the average of all prime numbers between 60 and 80. Who will answer this simple question? Sriyash, read the question.
Sir?
Sriyash, you joined just now.
No, sir, I'm joined at 2:30.
2:30, but you were not raising hand when I was asking questions.
Sir, in last classes I raised hand, you didn't give my mic. Didn't give to my mic.
Come again.
Sir, in last classes I asked for mic, you didn't respond.
You need to show your interest in answering every question. Based on the question's difficulty, I may choose your hand or not. But you have to show your interest for every question.
Okay, sir.
Read the question.
Find the average of all prime numbers between 60 and 80.
Okay. You know what are the do you remember all the prime numbers up to 100?
Yes, sir.
Okay, 60, 80. Between them, what are the prime numbers are there?
61, 67, 7.
61,
Plus
67. Yes.
71, 73,
Yes.
79.
Yes.
That's it.
That's it. Now we want the average of all these numbers.
By
Sum of all of them divided by
5.
5. Okay. So how do you add these numbers easily? If you
Sir,
follow a particular order, the sum we can find very easily without using borrows, carries, etc.
67 plus 73 is
Yes,
equal to
you need to add
140.
these two. Very good, because the sum of these two will give you a round figure. What is 67 plus 73?
140.
140. And similarly, in any other group we have to take?
79.
Yes, 61 and 79. What is their sum?
140.
140, 140.
280.
280 plus 71.
351.
Yes, 351 divided by 5. Can you see the decimal form?
Yes, sir. 5 sevens are
Yes.
0.
Yes, 5 into 70, 350. And then 1 is remaining. Decimal 1 becomes
2.
1 becomes 2.
10. 10.
5 2s are 10. That is 70.2 is the required answer. Yes, correct answer. You can mute yourself, Sriyash.
Sir, for prime numbers, there isn't an easy method.
No, prime numbers are not following any particular pattern, so we cannot identify any particular formula for prime numbers. That's why we should do manually for prime numbers. There is no particular pattern they are following.
Okay, sir.
I told you many times in the class. And even
Sir,
composite numbers also not following any particular pattern, because from all the natural numbers, if you remove prime numbers, then composite numbers will remain. So that one also not following any pattern.
okay,
But
sir.
for all natural numbers, even numbers, odd numbers, squares, and cubes, because they are following a particular pattern, we are able to find the formulas.
Yes, sir.
So this is about average word problems, and after this we are going to start the new chapter, that is profit and loss. Very simple topic based on a few formulas. If you just remember 5 to 6 terms terminology, then you are able to solve every question in this chapter. So let's revise quickly what are the terms that are useful. So profit and loss. So this is about doing business. Okay. So you want to do business with a pen. Okay. Suppose you bought the pen for 5 rupees, that will become your cost price. Okay. Let's say that is your cost price 5 rupees, and you want to get profit. If you want to get profit, you sell more than 5 rupees. For 6 rupees, suppose you sold the pen, 1 rupee will be your profit. That means CP is the short form in this chapter we are going to use for cost price. SP is the short form we are going to use in this chapter for selling price. And if selling price is more than cost price, then we are going to get profit. P for profits. So profit formula will be selling price minus cost price. If cost price is more than selling price, then we are going to get a loss. So the loss formula is going to be cost price minus selling price. So this is only profit and loss separately, but you need to find sometimes profit percent. So profit percent and loss percent are always calculated on the cost price. Very, very important point, and I'm writing here. Profit percent and loss percent both are calculated on cost price. What does it mean? In the denominator, cost price will be there. That means both profit we are comparing to cost price and loss also we are comparing to cost price. So profit percent is going to be profit by cost price into 100. And sometimes you need to find loss percent when loss is there. That is, loss percent is going to be loss by cost price into 100. Combining these two, I'll give you a shortcut. So whenever there is a single selling price and the single cost price, and you want to find profit percent loss percent relation, that is, we call it single selling price formula. We can write it as SP by CP is going to be 100 plus or minus X by 100. So here X means either it is profit percent or loss percent. And when we should use plus, if profit percent is there, we should use plus. If loss percent is there, we should use minus. So this is the shortcut to find the relation between selling price, cost price, and the profit percent or loss percent. If X is showing profit percent, we use plus. If X is showing loss percent, we are going to use minus. And how to find the required selling price for either the desired profit percent or the desired loss percent? Then some type of questions will be given like this. Cost price will be constant, but if you select one price, you get either some percentage of profit or loss. If you sell for some other price, some percentage of profit or loss you are going to get. To combine such thing, we have a formula called double selling price formula. So the double selling price formula is based on unitary method. So the double selling price formula also you need to remember for getting easy answers. That is, SP1 by SP2 is equal to 100 plus or minus X divided by 100 plus or minus Y. So this X is always related to SP1 and this Y is always related to the SP2. So again the same meaning here. X and Y both are either they are profit percent or they are loss percent. So if plus is there, we are going to use profit percent, and minus is there, we are going to use loss percent. So this is about double selling price formula. So these are the formulas you must remember, and based on this, almost all the problems you are able to solve on profit and loss. So cost price, selling price. Profit formula is FP minus CP and loss formula is CP minus SP. And profit percent, loss percent, both are calculated on cost price only. Profit percent is profit by cost price into 100. Loss percent is loss by cost price into 100. So questions related to these two can be easily solved by remembering one formula, that is SP by CP is 100 plus or minus 6 by 100, and double selling price formula. That means we are comparing between two different selling prices and analyzing how much percentage profit or loss we are getting. That is called double selling price formula. and SP1 by SP2, you're going to get 100 plus or minus X by 100 plus or minus Y. Now let us discuss something about discount. Okay, discount. So discount is used by most of the businessmen to attract the customers. So what they do is, so they have one article which is having a market price. What is market price? MP means market price. The price will be marked on the article. It is available for this much cost, and it is also called tag price. Every article is having a tag and it is printed on it, and it is also called list price. So better you can see in some supermarkets. So they'll be preparing a table. So sugar 1 kilogram cost 50 rupees, and one type of dal is costing 60 rupees, like this. So that is a listed. That's why it is also called a list price. So market price, or it is also same as list price. Okay. Now to attract the customers, what they do is they'll allow some discount on it. Okay. So from the market price, discount will be subtracted. Only the remaining amount the customer need to pay. So this attract the customers. That means for some lesser value only the article will be available. So I go and purchase. So this encourages the customer to buy the articles. So how to identify, how to get the selling price? From market price, you can subtract the discount. So you'll be getting the selling price. Or from this, you can find discount formula by transposing minus D on the left and selling price on the right. So it's going to be discount is equal to market price minus selling price. So any either thing you can remember. An important thing is how to find discount percent. How cost price and how profit percent and loss percent are calculated on cost price. Similarly, discount percent is always calculated on market price. So discount divided by market price into 100. So this is the way we are going to find discount percent. So these are the only formulas that we are going to use in this chapter. If you remember all of them, you're almost there. That means you are able to solve every question here. So in this discussion, any particular doubts you can ask, then we will start discussing the questions based on profit loss. First, I'm lowering all the hands. Only doubts, raise the hand. Sriyansh?
Sir, I didn't understand market price and discount.
See, market price is something like, suppose I am doing a business, okay? So I have an article with me which is marked at 100 rupees, okay? So you came to the shop and you see that article, it is available for 100 rupees, okay? But that is not encouraging for you to purchase that article. You feel that price is too high for that product. But you see another board that because of some festival you have a 20% discount is allowed on this, okay? So you saw the board 20% discount, okay? Then you go to the shopkeeper and asked, so I see this price but it is showing 20% discount, then how much it is available now? Okay, so this discount percent is 20%, right? Now we can calculate the discount based on it. Discount percent, what is the formula? Discount by market price. What is the market price of this article?
100.
So D by 100 into 100. So 100 cancel and you'll be getting discount is equal to 20 rupees, right?
Sir, I have doubt, sir.
Yes, yes.
Sir, you can write 20 by 100 into 100.
Yeah, you can write, because this 100 rupees and 100% both are same, you are getting percentage and number of rupees also same. But in case of this 100, you have 200, the discount will be different, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now you need not pay this 100 rupees to get the article because discount you got 20 rupees. So from this 100 rupees market price, 20 will be subtracted and finally you are going to pay 80 rupees. Now the customer is happy and will pay this amount. So for the customer, what do you call this 80 rupees?
Profit.
For the customer, it is profit.
No, sir.
You will not get the terms profit and loss when discount is discussed. Okay. So we have only selling price. For the shopkeeper, the selling price will be 80 rupees. And for the customer, we call it cost price. Okay.
Right.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
I hope you understood all the terms now.
Sir, what is mean by list price?
List price, market price, both are same. Market price means the price will be printed on the article, but list price means it will be available on a board. That's it.
Sir, if anybody can
sell more than market price, then what will happen?
Anybody will can sell for more than market price. No, actually government is giving one particular limit on any products. Okay.
Yes, sir. Okay.
MRP. What is MRP?
Market price.
No, MRP full form. GK also useful. What is MRP?
Sir, I don't know.
You go to any shop and purchase any article, MRP will be printed on it. That means no dealer, no business dealer is going to sell this for more than MRP. That means MRP means maximum retail price.
Sir, if anyone sell more than MRP, the what government will do?
Then it is against the law. That means he is going to face issues legally. Okay. You can go and file a case against him and the law will take care of him. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So maximum retail price means the particular item cannot be sold more than that. Okay, less than that is okay, but more than that is not acceptable. So that is MRP. MRP means maximum retail price. Okay. So these are the things, and let's solve some questions based on this. Okay, this question came in 2022 exam. A dealer purchased 50 tables for 4,570 rupees each. 9 tables got damaged in transit. He sold the remaining tables for 5,000 rupees each. Choose the most appropriate statement for this case. So we read the options. Who will answer this question? Jashvi, can you read it? Jashvi?
Sir,
Yes, Jashvi.
sir, can you explain list price?
Market price and list price both are same, but where they are written is only different. See, market price means suppose you go to the normal kirana shop to buy anything like a toothpaste. So on the toothpaste itself, its price is printed, right?
Yes, sir.
That is market price. It is marked on it. Okay, it is also called a tag price. So it will be tagged. But list price is different. Suppose you go to any supermarket and they will prepare a table. So in supermarkets, they also sell these vegetables, right? Like aloo, onion, etc. Right? And their prices regularly changed. So they cannot print on that. What they do is they prepare a table. So daily they will change the prices there. So because it is listed, we call it list price, but both are same, listed price and market price. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Can you answer this question, Jashvi?
Sir, I will try, sir.
It's very simple. You can read the question. You can get it. Otherwise, I'll help you. Read the question.
A dealer purchased 50 tables for rupees 4,570 each. 9 tables got damaged in transit.
Yes, in transit.
He sold the remaining tables for 5,000 each. Choose the most operate, operative
Appropriate statement.
appropriate statement for
Appropriate
this
means
case.
correct, most correct statement for this case. Okay, first of all, let us try to find whether he got profit or he incurred loss. Okay, first of all, I want to find his total cost price. What is his total cost price?
His total cost price rupees 4,570.
No, I want total cost. That is a 4,570. It is each table he purchased for 4,570. I want the total cost he invested. What is total cost price?
5,000.
No. How many tables he purchased?
50.
50. Each table for how much he purchased?
Each table 4,000.
Yes, yes. Go ahead.
4,500.
4,570. This zero and this zero you
Sir?
neglect it and just multiply 457 into 5.
Okay, sir.
We'll add to those two zeros at the end. 457 into 5, how much?
Sir, and
What is 457 into 5? You splitting method,
4,
I told you know. Yeah, continue. What the number you said?
2,28,500.
Okay, you told this total product. So 2,28,500. This is the total cost price. Now let us calculate
Yes,
his total selling price. Okay, what happened in between? So he purchased it some place, and while coming back to his home, what happened in between? What happened?
sir, can you tell again?
See, he purchased those 50 tables at one place, and he want to do business easy in his own place. But before coming to his place, something happened. What happened? Read the question.
9 tables got damaged in transit. He
Yes,
sold
that is
the
9 tables got damaged. Damaged tables. Will
yes, sir.
anybody purchase?
Sir?
9 tables got damaged. Anybody will purchase the damaged tables?
Yes, sir.
No. They will go into scrap until they get repaired. Nobody is going to buy them. Only remaining tables he is selling, right?
Yes, sir.
Out of 59 tables got damaged. How many are remaining?
Remaining 41 tables.
Very good, 41. And each he is selling for how much?
5,000.
5,000 rupees. Okay, now 5,000 into 41. Do 41 into 5.
41 into
What is 41 into 5?
5, sir. 41 into 5.
40 you can split. 1 you
2
can
not
split. Yes. Tell me. 41 into 5. 2 not
5.
5. And use 3 zeros at the end. What is this number?
Sir, 2
What is this
lakhs.
number? Yes, 2 lakh.
2 5,000.
Okay, now total amount he invested is 2,28,500, and total amount is getting by selling them is 2,05,000 only. Do you think he get a profit or loss?
Sir, they get uh,
He's getting profit or
pro-
loss?
profit.
Why profit? Cost price is greater, selling price is lower.
Sir, loss, sir.
Loss. How much loss? Loss formula?
Loss formula. L by CP into
That is last
100.
percent. I'm not asking last percent. Loss. Directly loss. I'm not asking last percent. CP minus SP, right?
Yes, sir. CP minus SP.
CP minus SP. CP is 2,28,500 and SP is 2,05,000. Subtract and tell me the answer.
Okay, sir. Sir,
Yes,
23,500.
23,500 rupees loss or profit? This is loss or profit? Jashvi,
Sir, it is profit.
is this loss or profit?
Sir, it is profit.
Loss, no, we calculated loss only, right? Loss is
Yes.
23,500. So
Sir.
which option is correct? Read the options and tell me which option is correct. Option A, he was able to recover the cost of the damaged tables. When that is
Sir,
true, when option A,
option.
yeah, you got the answer. What is that option?
Sir, option C.
Yeah, C is correct. He incurred a loss of 23,500. Option C is correct. But I want to explain option A. That is, he was able to recover the cost of damaged tables. Means how many tables damaged? 9 tables. And what is the
Yes,
total
sir.
amount he invested on those 9 tables? 9 into
5,000.
4,570. Each one he purchased for 4,570, but they got damaged and it was a waste investment for him. So to recover the damage, that should be his profit. So if the profit is equal to damaged tables cost, then we will say he was able to recover the cost of damaged tables. But he didn't do that. He got loss again. So he made a profit. Option B wrong. Option D also profit wrong. So C is correct. Okay, Jashvi. So you what you have to do is you have to read the question clearly by breaking it into parts. So don't try to concentrate on the whole question. Okay, you try to cut the question into some parts. Every time you read that part, only concentrate on that part, and overall picture you'll understand the question clearly. Okay, and
Okay,
don't
sir.
concentrate on other things. What is last percent? They are going to ask last percent or not? No, whatever is asked, only for that you answer. That's it. Okay. Just we can mute yourself, and we stop doing
Okay.
that now. And GK. So today Monday, so we are going to discuss GK. So in GK, today's topic is art, art and culture. So all of you be ready to answer. Art and culture, music, classical and folk dance, renowned personalities, the famous personalities in the field of arts, instrumental and vocal music, major dance forms of different states and different parts of India. Okay, so the questions await you. So all of you be ready to answer all the questions. Question number one, and it is simple question. So question number one, just wait a second, ma. The question number one, which of the following is a classical dance form from Kerala? Option A, Kathak. Option B, Manipuri. Option C, Mohiniyattam. Option D, Odissi. So all of you participate in the quiz. Time up, and majority of the class gave wrong answer. That is, one student said Manipuri, and six students said Mohiniyattam, and eight students said Kathak. So Mohiniyattam is the correct answer. Mohiniyattam is a classical dance form that originated in Kerala. It is known for graceful movements and feminine themes. Feminine means related to women. Yeah, the next question is second one. Next question. Who is known as, I gave you the answer. Who is known as the father of Indian classical music? Amir Khusro, Tansen, Mian Tansen, Swami Haridas. Okay, read the question again. Who is known as the father of Indian classical music? Amir Khusru Tansen, Mian Tansen, and Swami Haridas. 5 seconds left. And time up. One student said Mian Tansen, wrong answer. And three students said Amit Khusru, wrong answer. Four students said Swami Haridas, wrong answer. And the correct answer is Tansen. Tansen, one of the nine gems, Navaratnas we discussed in Akbar's court, greatly contributed to Hindustani classical music and is often regarded as the father of Indian classical music. Next question. You should know this, discussed in class. Which instrument is Pandit Ravi Shankar associated with? Veena, sitar, sarod, tabla. Five seconds left and time up. Majority of the class, 7 students gave correct answer, that is sitar. Sitar is the correct answer. Pandit Ravi Shankar was a world famous sitar maestro known for popularizing Indian classical music worldwide. So he made Indian music popular worldwide. Next question, it was there in our textbook also. Let's see how many of you will answer it correctly. The folk dance Bihu is associated with which Indian state? West Bengal, Assam, Odisha, Manipur. Bihu. Yes, majority of the class gave correct answer. 11 students gave the answer Assam and 5 students gave other answers. Bihu is the traditional folk dance of Assam performed during the Bihu festival, celebrating harvest and the Assamese New Year. Harvest means after the crops are over, they will take the yield back. So at that time, they celebrate this festival, Bihu festival. Next question. I think everyone in the class is going to give correct answer for this. Let me check. Bharatanatyam is a classical dance form from which state? Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, Kerala. Surprisingly, some students gave wrong answer. 4 students said Kerala, 5 students said Andhra Pradesh wrong. 7 students only gave correct answer. It is Tamil Nadu. Bharatanatyam is one of the oldest classical dance forms of India and originated in Tamil Nadu, traditionally performed in temples only. Next question. Which of the following is a percussion instrument? Flute, veena, mridangam, shehnai. We discussed about types of instruments. Which one of these is a percussion instrument? One student said veena, one student said shehnai, 4 students said flute. But correct answer is given by 5 students. Mridangam is the correct answer. Mridangam is a classical percussion instrument widely used in Carnatic music performances. Next question. Lavani is a folk dance of which state? Gujarat, Maharashtra, Punjab, Rajasthan. Lavani is a folk dance of which state? Time up. So 6 students gave correct answer. It is Maharashtra. Lavani is a traditional dance form of Maharashtra known for its powerful rhythm and expressive movements. Who among the following is a famous Indian classical vocalist? Zakir Hussain, Amjad Ali Khan, Bhimsen Joshi, Bismillah Khan. Ten seconds left. I'm up. 6 students gave the correct answer, and it is Bhimsen Joshi. Pandit Bhimsen Joshi was a renowned Hindustani classical vocalist known for his powerful voice and devotion to music. So that's called vocals. Next question. The dance form Kathakali involves elaborate facial expressions with hand gestures, singing only, use of puppets, acrobatics. The dance form Kathakali involves elaborate dash. Yes, majority of the class gave correct answer. 8 students said facial expressions and hand gestures, which is correct answer. Kathakali is a dance form, classical dance form from Kerala, characterized by colorful makeup, costumes, and detailed gestures and expressions. Next question. The musical instrument Shehnai is associated with which personality? Shehnai. Zakir Hussain, Hariprasad Chaurasia, Bismillah Khan, Ravi Shankar. This was there in Sainik textbook also. The musical instrument Shehnai is associated with which personality? Only 4 students gave the correct answer. Bismillah Khan is the correct answer. Ustad Bismillah Khan was a legendary musician known for elevating the status of Shehnai in Indian classical music. So he is associated with Shehnai. Who is it? Ustad Bismillah Khan. Next question. This is a famous question, and I think everybody know about this. Which dance form is famous in Punjab? Bihu, Bhangra, Garba, Ghumar. Time up. So majority of the class gave correct answer, but still 7 students gave wrong answer. Answer is Bhangra. Bhangra is lively and energetic folk dance of Punjab, often performed during harvest festivals. So next question is also a famous one. Who is renowned tabla player? Zakir Hussain, Shivakumar Sharma, Hariprasad Chaurasia, and Ilaiyaraaja. Time up. And no student gave answer Ilaiyaraaja. One student said Hariprasad Chaurasia. Two students said Shivakumar Sharma. and majority of the class is giving correct answer. It is 9 students. Answer is Zakir Hussain. You know, Zakir Hussain passed away recently, I think in the month of December last year. Ustad Zakir Hussain is a world famous tabla virtuoso known for its speed, clarity, and creativity. So, as a famous tabla player, Zakir Hussain. Next question. Next question also everybody should know this. Yes, the next question is this. Kuchipudi dance originated from which state? Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Odisha. Time up. One student said Odisha, two students said Tamil Nadu, two students said Karnataka, but majority is giving correct answer. 10 students said Andhra Pradesh. Andhra Pradesh is the correct answer. Kuchipudi is a classical dance form from Andhra Pradesh that combines dance, acting, and storytelling. Next question. What is the main theme of classical Indian dance forms? Sports and games, epic stories and spiritual themes, cooking, business and trade. What is the theme of most of the dance forms in India? Classical dance forms. What is the main theme of all of them? This is very easy to identify. Let me see. So most of the students give correct answer. It is 11 students who give the correct answer. That is epic stories and spiritual themes. Most classical Indian dance forms portray stories from epics like Ramayana and Mahabharata are devotional in nature. Next question. Yeah, we revised this question from the textbook many times, even in quizzes also. Let me check how many of you remember. Ghumar is a traditional dance form of which state? Gujarat, Punjab, Rajasthan, Himachal Pradesh. Time up. Yes, majority of the students remembered this, but still 5 students gave wrong answer. 7 students said it is Rajasthan. Correct answer. Ghumar is a graceful folk dance of Rajasthan traditionally performed by women during festivals and special occasions. Next question. Which of the following is a wind instrument? Veena, tabla, shehnai, mridangam. Yes, answer this question. Veena, tabla, shehnai, mridangam. Time up. One student said tabla, four students said mridangam, wrong answer. But seven students gave correct answer. It is shehnai. Shehnai is a wind instrument often played during weddings and auspicious ceremonies. Next question is a famous question. Garba is a traditional dance of which states? Rajasthan, Gujarat, Bihar, Tamil Nadu. Ten students gave the correct answer. It is option B, Gujarat. Only one student said Tamil Nadu. Wrong answer. Gujarat is correct answer. Garba is a popular folk dance from Gujarat performed during the Navaratri festival with circular movements. Next question. Simple question. Question only contains the answer also. The Carnatic style of music is mainly popular in northern India, western India, southern India, eastern India. If you observe the question carefully, question itself is carrying the answer also. Time up. Only one student gave wrong answer Eastern India and answer is Southern India. The Carnatic style of music, Karnataka, belongs to which part of India? Southern part of India. So the answer is Southern India. Carnatic music is a classical music form of South India known for its rich compositions and devotional content. Okay, students, that's it from today's class. It's already 4. So you wrote grants today, and we'll be discussing that tomorrow. And all the students are assigned with some separate works after 4 o'clock. Don't waste time till night. So have some time for playing games, half an hour to 1 hour, but don't waste the time. Complete all the works and come tomorrow. So thank you, students, for joining. You may leave the class now.